Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential component for anyone relying on their TSC TE344 barcode printer, the replacement thermal printhead for T300. This specific part is designed to bring your 300 DPI barcode printer back to its optimal performance, ensuring crisp, clear, and scannable barcodes every single time. When a printer's thermal printhead starts to wear out, the print quality can quickly degrade, leading to smudged, faded, or incomplete prints, which can be a real headache for businesses that depend on accurate labeling. This replacement head aims to resolve those issues, restoring the precision and reliability you expect from your equipment. Now, there's a very important detail that any potential buyer needs to be aware of before considering this purchase. The seller explicitly states that the item condition will be sent by random, meaning you could receive either an original refurbished unit or a compatible new unit. This is a significant point, and the seller advises not to order if this random selection is a concern. An original refurbished head would typically be a genuine part that has been restored to working condition, potentially offering original manufacturer quality. On the other hand, a compatible new head would be a brand new unit manufactured by a third party, designed to function identically to the original. Both options aim to provide the necessary functionality, but the distinction in origin and condition is something a buyer must be comfortable with, given the random nature of what will be shipped. Beyond the condition, careful attention to detail is paramount before placing an order. It is strongly recommended that one meticulously checks the item's appearance, size, and color, and compares it directly with their original printhead. This step is crucial to ensure perfect compatibility and fit within the machine. The model number, while provided for reference, should not be the sole basis for a purchase. If the replacement part does not visually match the original, or if the part number is not identical, it's advised not to proceed with the order. This diligence helps prevent receiving an incompatible part and the subsequent hassle of returns. The package content is straightforward, including one piece of this vital printhead. Ultimately, for those in need of restoring their TSC TE344's printing capabilities, and who are comfortable with the potential for either a refurbished original or a new compatible part, this replacement head offers a viable solution to maintain efficient barcode printing operations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.